Well, today we are going to learn about factorization polynomials exercise 2.3. So in the last video we have discussed about the first two problems, and today I am going to explain you the third problem. So here in this problem, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x. So here, so to solve these kind of problems we need to follow three steps. So the first step is, so the first term in the dividend, what is the first term in the dividend? X cube should be divided with the first term in the divisor. So the first term in the divisor is x. So x cube can be written as x into x by x. X gets cancelled, you will get x square. So with this x square, in the second step, with this x square you need to multiply the divisor. So you got x square in the first step, now divide this with divisor, so you will get x cube. So write this x cube just below the x cube, and here in the first step you got x square, that is the quotient term, you have to write it on the top. So now time for subtraction. So x cube gets cancelled, and you need to down 3x square. So again you have to follow the three steps. So first term is 3x square, and the first term in the divisor is x. So 3 into x square can be written as x into x by x. X gets cancelled, you will get 3x. So this is quotient term, write it in the top of the video. And now in the second step you need to multiply the divisor with 3x. 3x into x will become x square. So you have to write x square here. So x square gets cancelled, you will get 3x, and down 1 also. So now take the first term in the dividend. The first term in the dividend is 3x, and it should be divided with the divisor. So x gets cancelled, you got 3. So write it in the quotient. Now you need to multiply the divisor with 3. So you got 3x. So 3x, x gets cancelled, and how much you got here? You got 1. This 1 is the remainder here. So in this way we can solve this kind of problems. Now let us move on to the fourth problem. So in this problem, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 should be divided by x plus pi. Okay, here in this problem we are going to divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 with x plus y. So for this we need to follow certain steps I told you before. So what is the first step here? The first term in the dividend should be divided with the first term in the divisor. So so you will get x square here. So this is the quotient term, so write it on the top of the division. So here now in the second step, the divisor should be multiplied with x square, which you got in the first step. So finally you will get x into x square will become x cube plus pi into x square will become pi x square. So write this part just below it, x cube plus pi x square. So you need to subtract this. Before subtraction, change the signs. Plus x cube will become minus x cube, plus pi x square will become So here plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. So here this is 3x square and this is minus pi x square. So just write it here, 3x square minus pi x square. So if you see in these two terms x square is common, so by taking x square common only 3 will be left in the first term. So write minus, here x square is common, so what is left? Pi. So how much you got? So 3 minus pi into x square is the remainder. Now you need to just down the 3x, so plus 3x here. So again, so here in this you have to start with the first step, the first term in the dividend. So what is it? The first term in the dividend is 3 minus pi into x square, should be divided by the first term in the divisor. So x square gets cancelled, you will get 3 minus pi into x. This is the quotient term. So 3 minus pi into x, right? So now with this you need to multiply the divisor. So 3 minus pi into x into what is the divisor here? X plus pi. So first multiply these two. 3 into x, 3x minus pi into x, pi x into x plus pi. First 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into pi, 3x pi minus pi x into x, pi x square minus pi x into pi, pi square x. So here in this you need to here in this x square is common in these two terms, so take x square common. So here in these two terms we have x square. If you take x square common, you will get 3 here, and here you will get minus pi. Remaining two terms x is common, so take x common, you will get 3 pi minus pi square, 3 pi minus pi square. So this you got. So write this just below it. So 3 minus pi into x square plus 3 pi minus pi square into x. So you need to subtract here, so these two terms gets cancelled, and here if you see both have x terms, so take x common. So if you take x common, here you will get 3 minus, you will get 3 pi. So minus into minus will become plus pi square. So what is common here? X. Now this time you need to down 1 plus 1. Okay, again you have to go for first step. So the first term in the dividend, what is it? 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square into x. It should be divided with the first term in the divisor. So x gets cancelled, you will get 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square. So this is what? Quotient term. So write it in the quotient area, plus 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square. So in the second step, the divisor should be multiplied by this 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square. So first multiply. So x into this part I am writing like this, 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square into x. So I multiplied whole part with x. This time I need to multiply with pi, plus pi into 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square. Okay, now write this part in the denominator, just below it. So here 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square into x plus this part. So I am multiplying this. I am just, so pi into 3 will become 3 pi. Pi into minus 3 pi will become minus 3 pi square. Pi into pi square will become pi cube. So you need to subtract this. So these two parts are gets cancelled. What is left here? 1. Since it is minus term, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 pi minus 3 pi. So minus into minus will become plus 3 pi square. Minus into plus will become minus pi cube. So this is what remainder. So the remainder for this problem is 1 minus 3 pi plus 3 pi square minus pi cube. So this is the answer. In this way we can solve this kind of problems. So fourth one this is, and let us move on to the fifth problem. So the fifth problem is, so x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 should be divided by 5 plus 2x. So I am writing it 2x plus 5. I am writing it 2x plus 5. So you know that we need to follow certain steps, right? The first step is what? First term in the dividend should be divided with the first term in the divisor. So x cube, x into x by 2 into x. So x gets cancelled. So what are get cancelled? X into x gets cancelled. X gets cancelled. So you will be left with x into x square by 2. So this is the quotient term. So write it in the quotient area, x square by 2. In the second step, divisor 2x plus 5 should be divided with the that we got in the first step, x square by 2. So 2x into x square, 2x cube by 2 plus 5 into x square, 5x square by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. You will get x cube plus 5x square by 2. So write this part here, x cube plus 5x square by 2. So you need to subtract. So minus these 2 gets cancelled. So you will be left with third step, subtraction. 3x square minus 5x square by 2. So here LCM 2 into 3x square, 6x square minus 5x square. So you will get x square by 2. So how much you got? X square by 2. Now you need to down this part, 3x. Here the first term should be divided by first term in the divisor, that means 2x. So this can be written as x square. This denominator, this 2 can be written in the denominator along with 2x. So 2 into 2x will become 4x. So here this denominator and this denominator both can be multiplied. So thus you got 4x. So x square gets cancelled. So you got x by 4. This is the quotient term. So write it in the quotient area, x by 4. Now in the second step, you need to multiply the divisor with x by 4 that you got in the first step. So 2x into x, 2x square by 4 plus 5 into x, 5x by 4. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are, so you got x square by 2 plus 5x by 4. So this part you need to write just below it, x square by 2 plus 5x by 4. it's time for subtraction. Minus minus, these two gets cancelled. We got 3x minus 5x by 4. So 3x minus 5x by 4. So here LCM 4 into 3x, 12x minus 5x by 1. So 12 minus 5x will become 7x by 4. And now this time you need to down plus 1 here. So again you have to follow what is the first term here in the dividend, 7x by 4, right? It should be divided with 2x, so that equals to 7x by, so these two terms can be multiplied, that means 8x. So x gets cancelled, you got 7 by 8. So that is what is 7 by 8 here? 7 by 8 is the quotient term, so write it in the quotient area. Now with this 7 by 8 you need to multiply the divisor, 2x plus 5. So 14x by 8 plus 35 by 8. 2 7s are 2 4s are. So you got 7x by 4 plus 35 by 8. So this part should be written just here, 7x by 4 plus 35 by 8. So you need to change the signs, these two gets cancelled. So you got 1 minus 35 by 8. So this is what remainder. So take LCM. LCM is 8. 8 ones are 8 minus 35. 8 minus 35 will become minus 27 by 8. So this is the remainder. So this is the answer for this problem. So in this way we can solve this kind of problems. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Please support. Thank you all.